sea. I own that lodge called Vino, and I'm a hunk of Puccini. For us each night's a thriller, Chianti flowing free. I thought you owned the villa. I still repeat, Puccini. I sing us rude, but Chinese food, that's strictly for Yanks. Food Asian, Caucasian, that's for Sadie Banks. Sadie Banks? Will someone pass a scallion? Which way is Sicily? We're glad that we're Italian, but yes, sorry.
Thank you for having me. My pleasure.
We're glad that we're Italian, that we're two singing wops. Don't get racial, Charlie. You'll find us out each evening, cruising those espresso shops. Linguini sends me reeling. Will someone pass the cheese? I like mine mozzarella. Sprinkle mine with anchovy. We're both of the soil. We're always will yearn. Each dish is rare. But Frank, I swear. What? I'm getting heartburn. You want a tum? Don't take back our medallion for singing harmony. We're glad to see you.
If you ever plan to motor west, travel my way, take the highway, that's the best. Get your kicks on Route 66. It winds from Chicago to L.A. More than 2,000 miles all the way. Get your kicks on Route 66. Now you go through St. Louis and Joplin, Missouri. Oklahoma City looks mighty pretty. You see Amarillo, Gallup, New Mexico, Flagstaff, Arizona. Don't forget Winona, Kingman, Boston, San Bernardino. You get hip to this timely tip when you make that California trip. Get your kicks on Route 66. mighty pretty. See Amarillo, Gallup, New Mexico, Flagstaff, Arizona, don't forget Winona, Kingman, Boston, San Bernardino. You hip to this kindly tip when you make that California trip. Get your kicks on Route 66. Get your kicks on Route 66. Get your kicks on Route 66.